So it says the zeros, so I can just copy that. And then the x-intercepts, I'll work backwards. 1, 0, 2, 0, negative 3, 0. I'm not ready for anything else, so I have to do factored form. X minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3. But then it did tell me that the leading coefficient was negative 2, so I have to put that, oopsies, put that in front, and then I have to make sure it's an equation, y equals. So this is factored form. In order to get it in standard form, I'm going to have to multiply it out, so I'll do that over here. And you know me, I like to take care of the negatives first, so I'm going to multiply this out. 2 numbers that add, 2 numbers that multiply, and then x plus 3. Since it's x squared times x plus 3, I know it's going to start with x cubed. Minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is gone. Plus 2x minus 3x is negative 1x, and then plus 6. Now I'm going to multiply and bring down the negative 2. So I get y equals negative 2x cubed plus 2x minus 12. Okay? Now this is the no calculator section, so I'm really hoping that I didn't make a mistake. And if I did, it'd probably be a point or two. The y-intercept, well, the y-intercept is when you're going to plug in 0 for x. So I plug in 0 for x. I think it's easiest to do it for standard form, because if it's standard form, boom, I already have the y value. Okay? If it's degree 3, in order to get the rest of this stuff, I'm going to fake graph it. So I'm going to put a 1, a 2, a negative 3. My y-intercept is negative 12. So I've got my y-intercept. I got my zeros. And I'm going to fake graph it. So if it's x to the third power, that reminds me of a line. A line starts from the bottom. Okay? So now I'm going to start from the bottom. Wait, something happened here. Uh-oh. I messed up. This was a negative, which means, and that's why this didn't work out, because if I went like this and started from the bottom, that's going 1, 2, 3, 4. So I totally messed up on that graph. I needed to pay attention to the fact that that thing is going down. So instead of starting from the bottom, I should be starting from the top. So let me regraph this. It's good I made a mistake on that, so that maybe you're more aware of it and you don't make the same silly mistake that I did. Negative 3, 1, 2, down, 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 negative 12. Move this up a little bit. Now, this is going to make more sense. So instead of starting from the bottom, I start from the top. And now it works out. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now I can fake graph. I will fake say that is my minimum. And since this is 1 and this is 2, this is 1.5, comma 7. Who cares? It's fake. Okay? This is negative infinity. This is positive infinity because it's what's to the right and to the left. Now, if we're going to play the max, this is my max, 1.5, comma 7. All of our answers will vary, but the x value needs to be between 1 and 2, and the y value needs to be positive. The minimum I decided was right there at the y-intercept, because that's the easiest for me. Domain is everything to the left and everything to the right. Left, right, all real numbers. Negative infinity to positive infinity. My range is everything up, everything down, all real numbers. Negative infinity to positive infinity. The intervals where it's increasing and decreasing. That's when I focus on my x values. So when I go here, from here to here, it's going down, negative infinity to 0. From here to here, it's going up, positive infinity, increasing. And then from here to here, it's going down. And those are my intervals. My end behavior. As x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches. As x approaches positive infinity, f of x approaches. So when it's negative infinity, it's going up. When it's positive infinity, it's going down. So now I've answered everything I need to.